Did you know that? Did you know that the RK Solutions Payroll System actually creates payslips for 100 employees by just clicking one single button? Yes, it can create a payslip for a single employee when you just put the employee ID number here. Like for instance, I put 500 and then I have the payslip for Ronald Kashweka. But it can also create 100 employees for. It can also create 100 payslips for 100 employees that you have in your system. Well, let's check that out. So we checked the payslips for 100 employees. It's empty. It's all empty. And then I come here, I just click. It will just take 1 minute for it to actually create 100 payslips. Imagine that. Isn't that impressive? Well, I don't know about you, but I think that's magic. That's awesome. That's perfect. See, Excel right now is behaving crazy. It's more like flashing, vibrating. It's actually creating 100 payslips. If you would like me to show you how to do this, oh, you want to get a copy of this particular spreadsheet, you can basically hit my inbox and you tell me what you want, and you can join either my Excel lessons and I'll show you how to go about this step by step. Or you can get this particular advanced payroll template to use for your business. It doesn't really matter if you have 100 employees, 150 employees, 60 employees, 50 employees. It can be designed as per your business needs. It can be designed bespoke. Okay, we'll make it uniform. We'll basically make it exactly the way you need it. It will be a replica of your business. Okay, so right now it's creating 100 pay slips for 100 employees. In our system, we only have 3 employees, so the other ones will be blank because I didn't really put them. But boom, it's done now. Check this out. Pay slips generated in Payslips or sheet. Okay, and welcome RK Solutions Payroll System. Welcome to the RK Solutions Payroll System. Please ensure all employee data is accurate before proceeding. For support or inquiries, email kashwekaruna31@gmail.com. That's my email address. Okay, let's see if it has created the 100 pay slips. Oh my god, it has. Check this out. All these are pay slips in a printable format. You can basically print these pay slips for 100 employees. Note that at first it was blank, but now it has got a lot of pay slips. Okay. Otherwise, this is how this particular spreadsheet works. It also gives you a report, employee data, payroll data, and it can also do a single pay slip for one employee. Okay, otherwise, this is the RK Solutions Payroll System. This is how it works. Thank you very much. My name is Ronald Kashweka. See you in, hopefully you join us so that you get to see our other sessions and our other spreadsheets.